In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale your videos to 4K using Davinci Resolve. This process is incredibly straightforward and will help you enhance the visual quality of your content, ensuring it looks crisp and professional no matter the original resolution of your footage. Let's dive into the details. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to open Davinci Resolve on your computer. Davinci Resolve is a powerful editing tool provided by Blackmagic Design, and it's particularly favoured for its comprehensive set of features and professional quality outputs. Once you've launched the application, you'll be greeted with a project manager screen. From here, click on a project you'd like to work with. If you need to create a new project, you can do so right away, and your footage will load into your workspace. Next, navigate to the edit page. The edit page is designed to be user-friendly and offers a range of tools that are perfect for managing your timelines, clips, and editing processes. Here you'll be able to view your timeline and make necessary adjustments to your clips before we proceed with upscaling. Now, to begin the upscaling process, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen and click on Settings. This will open up a new window that serves as a hub for all your project settings. You'll want to ensure that your settings are appropriately configured for upscaling. Within this settings window, you should see an option for Master Settings. Click on this. The Master Settings section is where you can adjust primary configurations such as resolution and frame rate. Here you'll find the key elements that we need to modify in order to upscale to 4K. Once you've opened the master settings, you'll notice an option labelled Timeline Resolution. This is where you specify the resolution you want your final video to match. Click on Timeline Resolution to view the different resolution options. From the options presented, you're going to select Ultra HD. This term is often interchanged with 4K, representing a resolution of 3840x2160 pixels. By selecting Ultra HD, you're effectively setting your video to be upscaled to 4K. This will ensure that any resultant export will be displayed in 4K, providing you with crisp, high-quality visuals. With these settings adjusted, you're ready to proceed with your edits or export your video. Remember, while higher resolution can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your video, it's crucial to ensure that the original footage is of good quality to get the best results after upscaling. And that's a wrap on upscaling your video to 4K in Davinci Resolve. Thanks for watching and happy editing.